I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room they go by, we can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing tasting. A tasting account?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're trying Popeye's new cage. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Yes, you already know we love to give you guys the vlogs when the situations or the occasions or the opportunities. Alright, so we're on the road today because guess why? It's our anniversary, guys, and we're heading out. Yes, we're trying to, you know, explore, hit the road, try to do something fun in the name of love.
Love.
23 years. I mean, yeah. I always strongly believe that we need to celebrate special occasions, because special occasions come once a year, one day.
Christmas only come once a year.
And this year, you know, yeah, so
Where may I go? Where may I go? Do I go by the bridge?
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the third exit onto Northeast Causeway Boulevard.
Causeway Boulevard. Yeah, so we're heading to a place called Jensen Beach, which is a very nice touristy. What else? Laid back, beachy, fisherman type.
No?
No?
No.
Oh, well.
It's a hangout spot, but it's not fisherman.
Okay, Jensen Beach is the...
German foods and rivers.
I think Jensen Beach is the south beach of Treasure Beach. Treasure Coast, of the Treasure Coast.
Sort of.
What would you say is the south beach of the Treasure Coast?
Fort Pierce.
Fort Pierce?
Yeah, man, up at Fort Pierce more entertaining, vibesy. The inlet and the wall around this, remember?
Okay, so Jensen Beach is probably like
Surfside.
Okay. Yeah.
Or Balaba. Probably like Balaba, you know, more affluent, upscale.
Okay. So that's where we're going. We have reservations for 6:30.
Which we miss.
Which we're a little bit late for, but they can't play with us because what? It's our anniversary.
I hear you.
So we're gonna go there. Let's see what it's about. If it's good or if it's. I've heard rave reviews about this place from multiple persons, so I expect that it's gonna live up to all of that.
I hear you. I'm trying to get the map though.
They're not talking.
I need to get it.
Sunday evening on the beach, dining on the beach on a Sunday evening, on an anniversary Sunday evening. It's so tranquil, so relaxing, so soothing to the mind, so romantic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Feel romantic,
Yeah.
Stop.
So guys, as usual, the wife will carry me to a place where, even though the settings is nice and really, really, really nice. Thank you. When I look at the menu and the pricings, it is, you know in your heart that you could, because you're a person who makes food, you know you could do this, you know. But as usual, she no business with that. She wants to be the set. Chefs don't go.
Chefs don't go.
No. So let me show you guys my drink. It's called a Kentucky Splash. Let me show you. This is a Kentucky Splash. Look at that. And what is yours called, babe?
I don't know.
Yeah, man. It's isn't it? Oh, she didn't tell you. Is it Summer Magic? No. Cherry Manhattan? I don't know. And then this is our view. This is our view, guys. So I guess when you sum up the settings, and we can't show inside of the restaurant too much. Let's see what happens, eh? We're gonna enjoy ourselves. So we'll show you the food and we'll show you everything.
So what's in there? Thank you for celebrating your special day with us. Thank you. Oh, and we get cards. Look.
Look at me.
It's worth it.
So you know me gonna step out of the box with this one, right? Me have to try this. This is tuna tartar nachos. And it involves raw tuna, of course. Let's see if the wife here gonna love this one. And I tell you, it look good. I'm gonna try it and see what it is. I've never had it before.
It tastes good, right? But something in the back of my mind telling me that it's not right to eat raw fish.
You know what we like to order? Good, right?
It's good.
Awesome. Do we know what we like to order for our...
It's nice. I mean, it have an umami flavor about it because the spice, the sweet, the saltiness from the soya sauce or whatever that is. But I'm just, I think my food needs to be cooked. Why did you order something raw, babe?
Just to break the monotony. I'm eating the same thing.
No one be bored.
Look at it.
Only you. Crazy self. Alright, so we ordered lobster mac and cheese. So we're just going ahead and ordering each meal individually. Because sometimes you just order a whole heap of food and you don't need it. So we're just actually trying different stuff. So this is the lobster mac and cheese. Yeah, look good. I mean, when I really see a lot lobster still, but it look good. Oh yeah, see one there. Yeah. Cheesy.
So the lobster mac and cheese. It's pretty good. I mean, it could be a little bit more flavorful. It's really creamy, really cheesy, and then a big piece of lobster in there.
What do you want to do next? You know?
It's definitely worth it. I would go with it. I would get more lobster mac and cheese.
Okay, so you have the grouper's gonna be over mashed potatoes. It's gonna be like Oscar sauce. So it's gonna have like the May sauce gonna be creamier with the crab, and then your sea bass is gonna be more like a Thai style with the noodles, and it's got that wasabi. Like it's really, they're both really good. You can't go wrong either way. It's got it. One's a little bit more droppy with noodles, and one's gonna be with like the mashed potatoes and creamy.
It's up to you. You choose. I'm good with this. This is really good. Yeah, it's really good.
So the grouper, you want to split it? Or?
Yeah, we're gonna split it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You both okay on your drinks?
I could re-up on this.
How about for you, man?
Yeah, really good. I like the mac and cheese. And I don't really need a whole lot more stuff. So we have to split the main meal. Yeah, good.
So guys, I up. My arm. guys, my almost get a heart attack because
Anything else right now?
we're good for now.
You're okay with your drink, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So I wonder if she knows that one more sick than leaving on my cup. This lady loves taking up stuff prematurely. So I almost had a heart attack because I saw the food arrive and I'm like, is this $44? This is $44? But then I realized that they split the plates, so they gave us two.
But consider say one is 22.
Well, yeah. So this is 22. It's fine. It's fine.
$20 for mashed potato and
$22 for mashed potato and grouper. Yeah, and asparagus.
my group did nice.
For real, right? Our grouper did nice. But $10 for the food and $10 for the view. A week. Oh, thank you.
That is,
Oh, they gave us a complimentary
I think it's like a tiramisu.
tiramisu.
Yeah. It's shortbread underneath ice cream.
Oh, okay.
Come on. How's about my ability but not my ability nothing?
So let me.
So this is our view from the balcony of the restaurant. There's some folks on the beach, you know, walking and stuff like that. For us,
We just want Bella vibes. She keeps saying that she tipsy. Oh, I'm tipsy, you know. She just drink 1/2 glass. It's like 3 ounces in a 1 cup.
2 things why I know I'm tipsy. I'm very, very
Tipsy.
sleepy, and I'm laughing a lot, which I do those 2 things.
You do them something naturally because of me.
Whatever.
You don't, I mean, think about it. You understand? But it's been great. It's been an amazing day.
Amazing day, yeah.
And one of the reasons why I really pushed to do some of the stuff that we did was we've been through some terrible couple of years. And we survived. And we not only survived, but we're thriving. You know, growing. Getting better. And it's important to celebrate those things.
Right. I mean, things are not altogether okay with us, especially financially. But it is worth making the sacrifice because guess what? We have to make time with each other. We have to make memories with each other.
True that.
So,
True that.
I mean, our memories could have been made by us doing what those people are doing, just sitting on the beach, let's go taking in the sea breeze. Let's go and change that.
Yeah, right. But you know what? The truth is, even though, again, things are, you know, not all on the up and up. We have lost so much opportunities because of the whole, you know, changing of the guard situation with the world. We stuck it out, you know, through the arguments and the vexations and the laughter and the cooking of the food and, you know, Joshua's transitions and, you know, the trying to recreate our life. The move. Oh Lord.
I think that's what helped to balance things out with us.
And that made me sane.
Yeah.
That was what kept my sanity.
And the whole new environment, the more calm, peaceful environment, the more of an assurance, a
Right.
safety, a security,
Right.
as opposed to uncertainty.
Right. So, so this is the restaurant. Let me see if I can do a shot. They have let me see if I can turn the camera around. They have the indoors right here, you know, and then we're on like a patio area where there's a bar, you know, and then it all opens out to the sea. And this place is called what? Kyle G's what?
Steakhouse and seafood restaurant.
Kyle G's Steakhouse and Seafood Restaurant. Their prices are a little steep, you know, upper price point. But the waiting staff, the young lady that served us, she was beautiful, awesome. The food wasn't bad food. I mean, I could have made it, but it wasn't bad food. And the ambiance, the setting was nice. I'm not disappointed in the setting. So if you're in Jensen Beach or Port St. Lucie and you want to get over here, Kylie G's.
You already know, when you come on to dining, when you come on to ambiance, I'm gonna bring it. I don't know about the taste of the food.
Bring it, girl, bring it. Why you look good in the breeze, you do? You have a makeup? You just...
Makeup, I was buying this makeup. I woke up like this.
You woke up like this. Yeah, but trust me guys, this is worth it. You know, so I will say as we close out this video, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary
to you. Bear kiss. And until next time, live and laugh.
Road and enjoy.
It's supposed to be cook and eat. But big up on yourself. The Yardie Belly TV says so. Remember me tell you.
said it all. But guys, it was an amazing evening. I wouldn't change it for anything. Maybe a cheaper spot, but yeah. But yeah, we had an amazing time. That's what is important.
Vitally important.
Important. We had an amazing time, and it was a different spot. And like I said, we're about finding different spots, trying them out, and this one didn't fail at all. And as a tip, when you guys go out, don't be afraid to split your meals.
Oh yeah.
We ordered like 3 different things, but we just shared.
We ordered 2 appetizer and 1 entree.
Oh, the lobster mac and cheese was an appetizer?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So yeah. So that's what we did, and he had like 2. What did you say?
2.
Let me get when the lady
Re-up.
asked if he took a re-up.
Stop. We are a factor before. More drinks.
Why? You think Shirley Temple?
It wasn't Shirley. Wait, chop. There was no problem in ordering what I ordered. Because you know me already, me not go drink like that. So if I feel like, you know, and it was like cocktails, it was like a Kentucky Derby or something like that. You know, put my seatbelt on.
I can't hold my liquor for nothing.
But you never drink, my girl. You drink half cup of drinks. You know them little daiquiri cup. See the ice cream place and you wanna go this
That's
one?
not the one.
You wanna go this one? Strawberries?
Yeah, no, maybe so. It's too packed. It's too packed. Yeah. But
Let's go home. I'm just wanting to go home.
we're gonna go home now and
Watch YouTube
your
video.
and snuggle.
And what?
Snuggle.
No, not snug, not huggle. They're not snuggling.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching our vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, rate, comment, and share the video, and tell a friend about Yardie TV and his wife and his child. Yeah.
Peace. It's pretty.
Day is not over, you guys. We are by the inlet, using it as an outlet. Oh my gosh, look at the sunset. Ooh la la.
So we had to stop here on our way home. This is just under the Jensen Beach Causeway, and I'm telling you, we just had to stop to the causeway there. It's just so beautiful. It is just so beautiful. Yeah, it almost pretty like the lady. Let me turn on my flash by you. Turn on the flash by you. Turn on the flash by you. Turn on. You have no sense. You know that, right? Yeah. All right. Enough vlogging now. Time to get romantic phantom. Look at that fish. Look right there. You can see him in the water. See him there? It's like a shark. It's like a shark, babe. Let me see him. See there? It's like a shark. I'm seeing him on the camera. It's a baby shark for real. See there? Look, see the umpa come up every minute. See there? I'm recording. See there? That's a baby shark. OMG. Shark to do baby shark to do baby shark. Baby shark. Mommy shark do mommy shark do.